Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Bar 1000 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this soundbar is not working right, whether it's not connecting to the television or to the network, or it's not syncing or pairing to your Bluetooth device, or any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete everything off of it, like maybe you're setting it up in a new home, or maybe you're just changing networks or something and you just want to get a fresh start on it, wipe everything off of it so you can set it up like it's new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this really easily. The soundbar needs to be on for this to work, and then once we have the soundbar on, we're just going to come in here and we're going to find these volume up, volume down, and source buttons, and we're going to press and hold those three buttons simultaneously for more than 5 seconds. And after about 5 seconds, the soundbar will automatically shut off and then reboot into its factory default state, and you can set it up like basically like a new soundbar.